What's good, YouTube? I go by the name of Q. If you're unfamiliar, if you are familiar, shout out to you. Welcome back to the channel. Profit from pennies. This video is just an update on my 8-month journey so far. Crazy, has been 8 months. If you're unfamiliar with what profit from pennies is, I highly recommend you go check the video out in the cards because I won't be covering the details here. This is just an update. Go watch that, then come back here so that you're all filled in and you can catch up and kind of keep up with what I'm talking about in this video. 2020, I found $91.89 and change on the ground. Free money, tax-free money, I could do whatever I want with. I decided to invest that money, so I invested that money into a company called Stag, and Stag pays a 12 cents per share dividend. The $91.89 that I found last year, they got me just under 3 shares. Now check this out. Here's the cool part. Stag is a REIT and they pay a monthly dividend. So they pay 12 cents per share. Like I said, I got just under 3 shares at the time of my initial investment, and they paid me 36 cents. So 36 cents per month. It's been 8 months since I've been invested, but my dividends didn't kick in until about February. So February, I got a 36 cents dividend payment. Then March, I got a 36 cents dividend payment. Then April, I got 36 cents. Then May, then June, July, so forth and so on. Every month, Stag pays a monthly dividend. That's the cool part. And that's the main reason I invested in this company, because I knew they paid a monthly dividend, and I invested for the cash flow. I invested for that passive income. So every month in perpetuity, that 36 comes in, and I'm gonna keep reinvesting it to buy more and more shares. It's set on autopilot. I don't have to think about it. And I know it's not a huge stream. It's not a huge stream, but it's still a stream, right? It's still a stream. And I just want to illustrate, like I talked about in my previous video, you don't need a lot of money to get started. I started with 1 penny that I found on the ground, free money. Throughout the year 2020, that 1 penny turned into $91.89, which was invested. It was invested, and now that makes me money. Like I said, it comes every month on time. It hasn't missed yet. 7 payments, so 7 total payments of dividends. 36 cents times 7 equals $2.52 that was thrown in, and I also got some gains. So let's not forget that the stock has grown since I've invested in this company. I got a gain of $33.10 or 35%, plus $2.52 in dividends, which comes out to $35.62 total. So the free money that I found on the ground made me some more free money, which is gonna make me more free money and gonna make me, you get what I'm saying. You don't need a lot of money. For this particular investment, I didn't need a lot of money. I just threw in the free change that I found on the ground. And that's the beautiful thing about investing. You don't need a lot of money. I know I'm beating a dead horse right now, but you don't need a lot of money. You just need proof of concept. That's it. You need proof of concept, and once you see something works, just drive it home and stay consistent with it. And this is a gem in itself for those who are afraid of getting started with investing, right? Just start with a smaller amount, as simple as that. You don't need to throw everything you got into the market if you're going to start investing in the stock market, right? You can start with $10, like I said, $5, $20. You shouldn't be investing anything you're not willing to lose to begin with, because no investment is guaranteed. But I guarantee you, you probably got some loose change laying around your house. Everybody got them a change jar or a cup of change, a tin-foil jug, whatever. Everybody got some change laying around their house, man, that they can just test their theories out with. So I highly encourage that. If you don't have a coin jar and you would like the same exact coin jar that I have, I'll leave a link in the description. I might just leave it in the pinned comments, but it's about $10 on Amazon. If you use my affiliate link, I will get a commission. No charge to you though. With that being said, let's talk about how much I found this year. This is my baby right here. This is literally my baby. As far as this whole finance journey goes, this is one thing that I use to stay focused, stay on track, practice discipline, and also gamify it. Like I said, this ain't a whole lot of money. This is not a whole lot of money, but it's something to practice routine. It's something to practice habit, and it's something to keep you interested. Because once you learn so much about finance, it does become boring. That's something people don't tell you. This thing gets boring quick, and you have to find a way to make it fun, make it interactive. You see all these YouTubers with their flashy thumbnails, me included. We have to make this subject exciting and entertaining, otherwise people won't be interested in it, because money is boring. Once you learn it and nail it down and you get all the concepts down, it's extremely boring. With that being said, this is the total I found this year. $26.10. All free money, all tax free. All of it is getting invested back into more Stag. Back into more Stag. Come the end of the year, whatever I have in that jar is getting invested into more Stag, and we're just gonna keep going up from there. So if you made it this far in a video, do me a favor and put profit from pennies in the comment so that I know you made it to the end. Also, like this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, follow me on IG, Q Makes It Happen on Instagram. I share my today's finds, so everything I find throughout the day, if I find anything, I make a story post of it, so you can go check that out and follow me along on my journey there. Follow your boy, go show your boy some love. I go by the name of Q, and like I always say, if Q can make it happen, you can make it happen. I'll holler at y'all next video. Peace.